that this facility will provide potable water for the good of this community. I will pray that God continue to bless this community always. Borehole that can provide potable clean water. Well, I can see because somehow one of their own that don't
Good afternoon. Wow, he has done it again. He has done it again. The man with benevolent heart, the man that is known for giving, the man that has passion to remember others, the man that is personified with kindness. He has done it again. From Sokoto to Kebbi, from Kebbi to Zamfara, from Zamfara to Kano, from Kano to Kaduna, from Kaduna to Kogi, to all parts of Nigeria. Mr. Peter Obi has done it again. He is not the president of Nigeria. He is never from the northern part of this country. He is not from Kogi State. He is only a businessman from Anambra State. He has done it again. You know, I think just yesterday, I was telling you people about what Peter Obi did in Kogi, how he donated 10 million naira to the School of Health or to the nursing school in Kogi State. I was like telling you guys that this is not a camouflage, that it is inherent, it is inbuilt, it is inside Mr. Peter Obi. You guys thought I was joking. Look at what he did. He has donated another borehole. Remember that he did not started with Kogi State. Yes, he started from Sokoto. That was about 4 months ago, and other parts of the north. That even at a time, people were like trying to come and compete with him. People were like saying that it is just a camouflage. But Peter Obi was saying this is just a mere thank you or thank you visit. I was telling you guys that this is part of Mr. Peter Obi. You guys thought I was joking. But today, you guys have seen that this is not a mere joke. This is not a pushover. It is inbuilt, inherent. Peter Obi, the only thing he likes in this world is just giving. Guys, what do you people think? I think it is high time we have to nickname him Mr. Giving or Giving personified. He is not from the northern part of this country. In fact, he is not among the first 10. Yes, in Nigeria, we have Dangote, we have Atiku, we have many other people that are well-to-do in the north. Yet, they cannot even put a borehole in their own part of this country. Yet, Peter Obi is the one doing what they are supposed to do. Tomorrow morning, you will see one northern person that doesn't have information will come out to begin to attack Mr. Peter Obi. Can you see what Peter Obi is doing in the north today? Oh, this is marvelous. Oh, this is awesome. Peter Obi, you are giving personified. If you think that this is just mere putting borehole, come, I will take you down to Gwagwalada, very close to Abuja. Come and see where cattle are fighting, dragging water, drinking just a very dirty water, dragging it with human beings. Yes, if you think that what Mr. Peter Obi is doing is he just want to show, or he's just trying to do camouflage, come very close to Abuja. Come and see where cow and human beings are fighting for water, dirty water. So this is why you guys must appreciate Mr. Peter Obi. I said it, I think about 5 months ago, why we needed to appreciate Mr. Peter Obi. We need to appreciate him. If somebody, just an individual, can be doing what a community, what a government, what a state government and the federal government should be doing, I think he needs recommendation. This is why every hands must be on deck come 2026-27 to make sure that we install Mr. Peter Obi as the president of this country. We need it. We need to install that man or this man as the president. Just, I think in 2016, Peter Obi was in Kogi State. In 2017, Peter Obi was in Kogi State. In 2018, Peter Obi was also in Kogi State. Can you see? Oh, guys, I think I have to stop here. What do you think about what Mr. Peter Obi is doing in the north today? Drop a comment for me. Thank you. Thank you for watching.